How to solve this problem? Here is the simple way to solve the problem.
Hello friends, I am here with good news for TikTokers and Instagram. Instagram has expanded its 15-second video making features Reels in India following the surprise ban of TikTok in the country. Instagram Reels 15-second video making feature launched in India after TikTok ban. This comes at the time when creator and influencer are looking for an alternative to migrate from TikTok to other short form video making platform. The Reels features are already live in Brazil, France and Germany, and now it has made its way to the Indian market. Let's see how it will work. Now, how to create Instagram Reels. For that you have to first of all update your application. After that open the application Instagram. Now just click on your story. After that you will see live story, layout to Boomerang, create, and here you can see Reels. Create with Reels, record and edit short video and share them to explore where anyone may discover them. So let's click on the get started. Now this is open, and the Reels option will be awaited right next to the Boomerang, Super Zoom, hands-free and layout. Click on the Reels, select audio from the Instagram music. From here you can browse musics. Also from here you can select timer, you can select effects, you can select the speed, and you can also have options you can select from your gallery. And these are the options for the Reels. And here is settings for the Reels. How do you want to share, message replies, gallery and everything. This is the Reels. You can also have option to record your original voice and add to it. You have also options here. You can select front camera or rear camera. Now we will see how it will work. Now let's know more about Reels on Instagram. This feature is currently being tested and may change in the future. Reels allow you to create and edit short video up to 15 seconds in the Instagram camera. You can also add effects, music to your Reels to use your own original audio, just like TikTok. You can access Reels from Instagram Android and iPhone apps. Who can use Reels? Reels is not currently available to everyone at this time. It's only available in the following country: Brazil, France, Germany and now in India. What audio can I use in my Reels? You can use audio tools to add music from the Instagram music library. You can also use your real original audio, and you can also use post your original audio with display your username. Keep in mind, when you post your reel on the public account, anyone on the Instagram can create and reel using your original audio. If your account is private, no one able to create a reel using your original audio. So if you want to someone use your audio, you have to be public account. Who can see and share my Reels? Who can see and share your Reels is follow your account privacy settings. For public accounts, anyone can see and share their Reels. For private account, only your approved followers can see and share their Reels. Keep in mind, Reels you post to feed or explore will appear in the Reels tab on your Instagram profile. Reels shared to stories direct will disappear in 24 hours. and won't appear on your profile. Why do some reels say featured on Instagram? Reels that say featured are chosen by the Instagram according to the Instagram algorithm. When lots of people may like and share the reels, Instagram featured the post or reels. See the James style, how entertaining may be. You will get notification from the Instagram if your reels is featured. Who can mention me in a reel? Who can mention you in the caption of the reel? Follow your account mention setting. You will receive notification when someone mention you in the reel. What info can I use about my reel? From the Reels tab of your profile, tap your reel to see who liked, comment on reel and on your reel. Video plays, how many times your reel starts to play, whether it was chosen to be featured on reels. How do I delete my reels? To delete your reels, go to the profile and tap the reels you want to delete. Tap iPhone, Android in the bottom. Tap delete your reel. Hope you like this video. Just like, share and subscribe to my channel to want to know more. Thank you so much.